In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, join, and manage team spaces in Notion. We'll walk through the full process in a simple, practical way so you can organize collaboration more effectively inside your workspace. Team spaces are useful when you want a dedicated area for a specific team, department, or project, and they help keep related pages, documents, and workflows grouped together in one place. To begin, open Notion and look to the Workspace sidebar. This is where you'll find the main navigation for your workspace, including your pages, shared areas, and team structure. In the sidebar, locate the Team Spaces section. This is the area where Notion organizes spaces meant for collaboration across groups of people. If you need a separate area for a team or project, click to create a new team space. This is a good option when you want to keep content focused and accessible only to the people who need it. As you set it up, enter the team space name clearly so it's easy for everyone to recognize. You'll also have the option to add a description, which can be helpful for explaining the purpose of the space, especially if multiple teams are working in the same Notion workspace. Next, choose the permissions for the team space. This part is important because it controls who can view, join, or contribute to the content inside that space. Take a moment here to make sure the access level matches the purpose of the team space. For example, some spaces may be open for broad collaboration, while others may need more limited access. After that, invite the members who need access to the team space. This ensures the right people can start working in the space right away. It's a good idea to double check that everyone you add actually needs access, since keeping membership tidy makes the workspace easier to manage over time. If you want to join an existing team space instead, open the list of available team spaces and select the one you need. This is useful when you've been given access to a team space but haven't joined it yet yourself. If at some point you no longer need to be part of a team space, open that team space's settings and choose the option to leave. This helps keep your workspace cleaner and reduces clutter in your sidebar. Finally, review the permissions one more time to make sure the right people have access. That last check can prevent confusion later and helps keep your team spaces organized, secure, and useful for everyone involved.